Hello everyone. Welcome to the Reader Practice channel. We both practice English conversation every day. Today our topic of conversation is travel photos. Hi Aditi, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you. Radhika, what are you doing?
I am looking at my travel photos.
Show me your travel photos.
Okay, here's the first one. Check out this amazing waterfall we found.
Wow, this is amazing. Where was he?
It was in the mountains where we went. It took us some time to get there.
I wish I could go. How was the weather?
Surprisingly good. It rained a little, but it made everything even more beautiful.
You're lucky. What's next in the picture?
Look at these group pictures at the campfire. We roasted marshmallows and told ghost stories.
This looked like a lot of fun. I missed some great movements.
Don't worry, there's more. Watch this video of us trying out zip lining.
Zip lining. Seriously? That's awesome. How was the experience?
Scary at first, but once you are gliding, it's pure excitement. You should have seen our faces.
I'm sure it was hilarious. What is that picture of all the peoples holding fishing rods?
Oh, that was when we went fishing by the lake.
I can imagine. I wish I could join in too. What is next?
Look at this cute puppy we found in the village. We named him Rocky.
Oh, Rocky is so cute.
Look at this picture of the sunset from the top of the hill. It was tempting.
Wow, it's like a postcard picture. How did you manage to capture it so perfectly?
Right place, right time. Nature did all the work for us.
Nature can be so beautiful. I wish I could have been there to see it in person.
You will definitely join us in the next event. Speaking of which, we are planning another trip during the holidays.
Really? Count me in. I don't want to miss out again.
Great! We are thinking of camping in the forest this time.
Awesome. I have never been camping before. What we are going to do there?
Well, there's hiking, stargazing, bird watching, and of course, telling scary stories around the campfire. Get ready for another journey of adventure and memories. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Reader Practice.